So in this video we are testing return loss, VSWR and impedance for match termination. Also we have connectors, male to male, female to female, and we have cables, SMA cables. So we will check VSWR, return loss and impedance for this also. We have these cables and these connectors. This is male to male, male to male, this is female to female, and 50 ohms match termination and SMA cable. We will check return loss, VSWR impedance for this also. And this match termination works from, see, here is they are given that is from DC to 18 gigahertz. So it is visible DC to 18 gigahertz. We will check. So for that purpose you have to go for VNA. Go to VNA. Next go to return loss. So it is 0 dB at 2.5 gigahertz. So 0 dB. I connect, this is open. So I will connect this match termination. See, and go to down. I have to select the range. Now it is range from 0 to 27, 30. 0 to 30 is the range. I will give auto range. It will come to 45, minus 45. So it is all around approximately minus 40. This is minus 35. You just observe the scale. It is visible. Started from minus 5, 0, minus 5, 10, 15. Above this 5 is 0. Now it is clear. Up to minus 45. It is all approximately minus 40 dB return loss for match termination. I will check SWR. Actually, when it is open, you check the SWR. It is auto. 67.9, somewhere something very high VSWR because open. Even this also marker 1. Very lowest is my 45. This is also 45. So if I connect this match termination, it will come to very close to 1. It all come to down. I have to select auto range. See, the scale is 1, 1.01, 1.02, 1.03, 1.04, 1.05 up to 1.09, 1.1. Previously it is up to 70. So all high, very high VSWR. Now it is between 1 to 1.1, not even 2. 1 to 1.1. There also it is in between 1.05. This one 1.05. It is within 1.05 in any frequency from 1 to 3 gigahertz. 1.05 is the maximum VSWR. It's fantastic. Next, I will connect one connector. I will remove this. It will go top, out of the range because open. This is the reason we should not leave open terminals in any power divider, couplers, you should terminate any left out ports. Now I connected this female to female, male to male connector, and now I will connect this also in, see, little bit increased but not too high, because with this itself 1.05, with this connector I am reaching 1.08, 1.09, in between these two. Okay, you think I considered it as a 1.09. It is all less than 1.1. These connectors and mass terminations all are below 1.1, 1.08 only. So when we connect other devices, maybe it's coming 1.3, means 1.1 is here only. In these connectors, cables, I will show you cable also. I will connect this cable. This cable also I will connect. I am not shown you that impedance for this match termination. Just I will show you impedance 1.05 for only match termination. I will go to measurement, format, Smith chart. So opens, you observe first open Smith chart. See, it is here, means it is 1, it is less 0, shorting. This side open, this side short, na? This is short. 0 ohms, 1.16 ohms. I will connect this match termination. What happens when it is 50 ohms exactly, then it will come to 1, everything at 1, a single dot instead of round or any other value. See, it comes to center, open, go out. I will come bring it very closer to you, display, it come to center. I think you are understanding. So it is here marker M1. If I remove, that will go out. I am connecting now, will come to center. What is the impedance? 49 ohms. 50 ohms, 49.91. So it is match termination is very good. In any frequency 1 to 3 gigahertz we are getting 49 or 50 ohms. It's nice. And I will show you return loss over, VSWR over, impedance also over. And I also shown for this connectors. After connecting this connector also I will show you. Connect these connectors. See, same 49 ohms only. Okay, little bit 1.09 or 8 VSWR. I will connect one cable. I have to show for this cable also. I will connect this cable. And this side is open. I have to match this open port with match termination. Then you check it. Now it is, first I will show you return losses. S11. See, S11. It is a 0, minus 20, minus 20, minus 30, somewhere minus 20 to minus 30 return loss. It is 0 dB. If I connect minus 20, 25 in between, somewhere it is maximum what, for what frequency, 2.7 gigahertz, minus 52. So return loss is in between minus 20, 25, 30 dB. Its variation, variation is there. Then I will go to SWR. See, SWR is 1, 1.05, 1.1. So maybe mass terminations and connectors itself having this much. So maximum is 1.3. 1.3 almost all everywhere. It is below 1.3 only. Some last one only is the maximum peak, that is 1.5. I will show you. I connect that marker. What is this? 1.49. So except this, all are 1.3. Connectors and mass termination having 1.1. So it is all less than 1.3 VSWR for cable also. So nice. We are tested impedance, VSWR, Smith chart, return loss for mass termination, cable and connectors. These two connectors, male to male, female to female, match termination and this cable. Okay, thank you. Please contact us for demo, quotations, service, projects, internship for students.